Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. Today, I want to discuss Cathie Wood's We're in a Recession. Have you heard of the incredible Cathie Wood? She is known for her bold predictions and unwavering confidence, and Wood has once again captivated the financial world. One of Cathie Wood's famous lines is, "The innovation that is happening in the world today is unparalleled, and we are just scratching the surface of what's to come." As far as our eyes can see, the world is currently experiencing an unparalleled level of innovation. The ongoing advancements and breakthroughs across various industries and sectors are truly remarkable. However, the statement by Cathie Wood suggests that we have only begun to tap into the immense potential that lies ahead. It brings a sense of excitement and anticipation for the future, indicating that there is much more to come. It serves as a gentle nudge, urging us to embrace and appreciate the ongoing wave of innovation, while acknowledging that we are merely scratching the surface of the transformative changes awaiting us. Cathie Wood, the audacious oracle of finance, has a treasure trove of mind-blowing insights that will make your head spin faster than a Ferris wheel on caffeine. Cathie Wood's philosophy: embrace innovation, disruption, and the future with unwavering conviction, as they hold the greatest opportunities for growth and prosperity, revolves around embracing and harnessing the power of innovation, disruption, and the future. She believes that these transformative forces are not to be feared or resisted, but rather embraced with unwavering conviction. By actively seeking out and investing in innovative ideas, technologies, and trends, Cathie Wood sees the potential for significant growth and prosperity. She encourages individuals and investors to have confidence in their choices and to stay committed to their strategies, even in the face of uncertainty or skepticism.
Yes, well, we believe we're in a recession. Two consecutive quarters of real GDP declines is the beginning of that definition. Three consecutive months of declines in leading indicators, which we have now, would suggest the same.
Cathie Wood's analysis of GDP decline during recessions is like peering into a complex mathematical equation. She carefully examines the variables at play, unraveling the intricate relationships between economic indicators and market dynamics. Just like a skilled mathematician deciphering an equation's patterns, she identifies the underlying factors that contribute to the rise and fall of GDP. Her insights into recession trends are akin to navigating through a turbulent storm at sea. While others may feel lost amidst the crashing waves of economic downturns, she skillfully steers the ship, using her expertise as a compass to guide investors through uncertain times. Like a seasoned sailor, she charts a course of action based on her analysis, aiming to navigate the stormy waters of recessions and emerge unscathed. She sees recessions as necessary for growth, like ocean tides that ebb and flow. From economic contractions, new ideas and industries emerge, akin to spring blooming after winter. She envisions a revitalized economy rising from the ashes, like a phoenix transforming and thriving amidst adversity. In summary, her analysis of recession trends and GDP decline is like a captivating symphony of numbers and patterns. Each note contributes to our understanding of the complex economy. With unwavering confidence, she navigates through turbulent times, uncovering opportunities amid the chaos. Like the phoenix, she envisions a future where innovation and growth thrive, even in the face of economic contractions.
I think the differences are, we see an inverted yield curve, and that, of course, is also a warning sign. I think our point of view is that this is going to be a severe inventory recession, but we didn't have the systemic excesses like we did pre-08-09 in the mortgage market. So it's an inventory recession here, and while most economists are saying, oh, okay, the inverted yield curve points to a recession maybe next year, we believe we'll be coming out of it next year.
Cathie Wood discusses her perspective on the current economic situation and the potential trends related to a recession. Wood highlights the inverted yield curve, which signals a potential recession when short-term interest rates surpass long-term rates. This indicates uncertainty and pessimism about the economy's future. She notes this as a distinguishing factor from past recessions. She explains that unlike the previous recession in 2008 to 2009, the current economic situation lacks the same systemic excesses, particularly in the mortgage market. She describes it as an inventory recession, where imbalances in supply and demand of goods drive the economic downturn instead of broader financial system issues. While economists predict a recession based on the inverted yield curve, Wood holds a different view, expecting the economy to rebound and recover by the following year. We can imagine the economy as a theatrical performance and the recession as a challenging act within that performance. The inverted yield curve acts as a warning sign, just like a spotlight that shines on a certain part of the stage, alerting the audience to pay attention to potential difficulties ahead. The systemic excesses of the past, particularly in the mortgage market, can be compared to actors who previously struggled to deliver their lines correctly, causing disruptions in the overall performance. In terms of economic performance, we're facing an inventory recession, where props and set changes are hilariously misaligned, causing disruptions in the flow of the play. But fear not. Cathie Wood takes the stage with an optimistic twist, predicting a triumphant closing scene that brings recovery and leaves the audience hopeful, resolved, and inspired. So get ready for the next act, where the economy shines brighter than ever, defying the skeptics' predictions.
Now, I think the big question is what's going on in China. I think some of the commodity price decline has to do with China unraveling in some sense from a cyclical point of view. I mean, they've got their foot on the brake in many ways. They're trying to let it off a little bit here and there. But I think that the real estate downturn in China is 30% of their economy, 75% of consumer savings. I think they're not going to be able to control it the way they thought they were.
Cathie Wood begins by posing a question that has been on the minds of many lately. What's going on in China? In China, the land of mystery and economic might, Cathie suggests that the decline in commodity prices may be linked to China's current situation. According to her, China seems to be unraveling from a cyclical perspective. It's like they have their foot firmly on the brake, but they're cautiously trying to release it here and there. But what exactly does this mean? Well, Cathie points out that the real estate sector in China is facing a downturn, and this is where things get interesting. She believes that this downturn could have far-reaching implications because the real estate industry constitutes a whopping 30% of China's economy. That's like saying it's the heart of their economic engine. But wait, there's more. Cathie drops another staggering statistic. She claims that this downturn in real estate also impacts a significant portion of consumer savings in China, around 75%. That's like saying the majority of people's hard-earned money is tied up in this sector. So you can see why Cathie is concerned. The big question is, can China regain control, or are they headed for a bumpy economic ride? It's like a suspenseful cliffhanger in a blockbuster movie. We eagerly await the next chapter of this economic saga. What do you think the consequences of China's real estate downturn will be for their economy? Will they find a way to slam the brakes on this crisis, or are they headed for a bumpy ride down the economic highway? Share your thoughts and let the discussion begin in the comments section. What is your opinion on Cathie Wood's impact and influence in the world of finance? Do you find her audacious predictions and unwavering confidence inspiring, or do you have a different perspective? Venturing into the mesmerizing realm of Cathie Wood, preparing for the unexpected. Her ideas will challenge the status quo, shatter conventional thinking, and catapult you into a realm of limitless possibilities. It's like embarking on a wild expedition through uncharted territories, where every step brings us closer to uncovering the extraordinary. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.